I love this song. This is Flightless Bird American Mouth by Iron and Wine. It's on the Twilight soundtrack. Best movie ever. As you can see, if you look down at our shirt, we're grooving. I just saw the movie for the 4th time. 2nd. 4th. Very uncomfortable on this chair. They dance to this in the prom scene when they're out on the patio and they're dancing, and he's like, "Are you ready for me to do this now?" And she goes, "Yes," and she leans back and all he does is kiss her neck. He doesn't even bite her.
I am a fat...
No, we have to wait till the part. Wait till the part. Is it near? I think it's near.
Oh.
We're watching a Twilight video with the song on it. Oh no, you can't zoom on my camera. Never mind. House cat. I'm sorry, it's the best. Fat house cat. We're gonna watch The Notebook. Turn off. Nope, it's still recording. Are you gonna turn it off? No. Oh. We're gonna document our lives. But my shoes are better. And sparkle like her. On camera, you probably only see the pink part, but they actually sparkle. And my face does too.
I think you would like to see me better than your shoes.
My face is sparkly. I have like blackheads on my nose. Look at that. Now you just told me. Oh. Now you just told the world too.